It's so we're working on the brake line on this Hino Boxtruck. So he got a broken brake line, so I'm gonna show y'all how to fix it so he can get back on the road. He got to make a delivery, and it's Saturday at 5:53. Okay, so this is what we need to fix the brake line on that Hino. The proper size on that Hino brake line is a 1/4. So you get the 1/4 brake line we got it from AutoZone. And then you get the 1/4 compressions right here. And how you just make a quick patch if you ever break your brake line. So we're gonna go and get this put together, show you how to do it. All right, so we're gonna cut this flared end off here so I can put the okay. So we go clean that up with this. Okay, so we just want to knock the burr off. Just want to knock that burr off of this so your fitting can go on. Just knock the burr. That's all you want to do. Okay, smooth. Okay. Remember, put this part on first. It should go right over that. See? With ease. Then you get this end should go on here with ease. That's how you know them burrs is off. Okay? You take this. There you go. Bring them together. Like so. Okay? So we got that end on, so now we're gonna get up under the truck. Okay. So to tighten this up, you need 2 wrenches. 7/16 and a 1/2 inch. Gotta put one here. You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it. So you gotta hold it so you can tighten up. So all you do is tighten up. That's it. See? That's it. Now we get out of the truck and cut it to size, cut it to length. Okay, so we got a broken brake line. I just cut this out with the grinder. We're gonna replace it. So I'm gonna just show y'all a quick fix. If this happened on the road, he tried the epoxy and put some electrical tape on here, but we're gonna fix it the right way. Get a compression for here, and then get a compression for there. Yep, compression there, compression there. Okay, so everything's clean. Gonna get this on. Okay, this is a better view, people. I'm on top of it, but you can see you gotta clean these up so you can get your fittings on. So I gotta clean it up. See, it got a burr. Whenever this one go on, like earlier, you got a burr. So we're gonna have to sand that, smooth this out, cause this part to slide on easy.
Hey Tom, that ain't no sandpaper, but I can run that grinder all the way out there.
So we're gonna do that.
You heard me?
Okay, I got some sandpaper. All you do, you just want to get that burr off. Okay. Now let's see if this go on there. That's how you know the burr off. Bingo. All right. The burr is off. You want to get your end here. Okay. Gotta do the same here. Okay, so you gotta do the same on this end. Get that burr off. Get that on with the sandpaper.
Yeah, because I have been dealing with that shit for a couple days.
Okay, so it's cleaned up. Like I said, you know, the burr is off and you can slide that on. So let's put the end on here. Perfect. So you got your end there, got your end there. Now we can put the line in. Okay, let's get this installed. Okay, hand tighten. So you get it all hooked up on both ends. Okay, let's get that hooked up. Okay, so we're gonna screw this end up here. See how I got it? Just hand tighten. Now we gotta get it here to here. Okay, now just tighten up this and this, we good. Okay, so you just tighten them up the way I got it, see? Good. Good. You back in business. So that's how you fix a brake line. If it break, you can same process if it's a car or a truck that got steel lines on it. Get them compressors, get your piece of line, put it in there. Good to go, back in service. Now fill it up with some brake fluid, you good to go. So this is a quick video on this Saturday. So if y'all got this issue to help y'all out.